morning we wake up and something terrible happens. Cathy, what were you dreaming of?
Very wavy. They say I need to go to the bridge.
Yeah.
It's very wavy. And then now I have DC from the wave.
For your dream?
Mm.
It was wavy. You couldn't go to the bridge.
I can, but suddenly the water comes out. Then wave, the wave flows me away. Then I need to
Oh, you
swim
need to,
again.
you need to what?
Flows me away. Then I need to swim again.
And then?
Go to the bridge.
And when you are at the bridge, what you do then?
Standing and hold the
bridge. And then the water comes again?
And the water comes again, very big wave.
Very big wave? And then you swim again?
I'm so tired now. I feel dizzy now.
Okay, now.
So tired of
Yeah?
swimming.
So tired of swimming? You're so tired of swimming?
Here, oh my.
And where are you now? On the bridge now?
No.
Where are you now?
I'm on the bed.
Ah, oké. Thank God. Eind goed, al goed, hè? And good, everything good. Cathy is no more swimming, no more drowning. She's in the bed.